Will there be anything more exciting than exploring life in Calicut on a tuk-tuk? Get on the storytelling tuk-tuk tour by Tyndis. Ride on an auto rickshaw along the exciting stories of Calicut. Experience all the flavors of this wonderful city. Explore the heart of Calicut, right from SM Street through Mananjara and travel down the Palayam marketplace. Visit the Mariamman streets with our passionate storyteller. See the Tamil temple, flower market, and life in the street. Next, Tyndis Tuk Tuk Tour takes you to the iconic Calicut beach and surroundings. Tyndis arranges for the halwa making centers of Calicut, the authentic centers of Calicut banana chips, etc., which are the highlights of this tour. Ride along Calicut Beach and Lighthouse. The bustling market of Valiyangadi and its endless stories add to the essence of this tour. Finally, Tyndis Tuk Tuk Tour will take you to the exciting street of Kopra Bazaar. Get to see the interesting sight of headloaders bringing in baskets of coconut, few others sorting it with traditional techniques, and finally packing it. Don't miss out this exciting tuk-tuk tour by Tyndis, which covers the major flavors of Calicut in one go.